YouTube premieres. What happens to a video after it has been premiered? After a video is premiered, it remains on your channel like a normal upload. Chat replay is available for viewers who want to experience the premiere chat after it is ended. How do viewers find my premiere? A public URL is created when the watch page is created. You can share this URL before, during, and after the premiere to share the video. Can I schedule a premiere to start immediately? Yes. If you want your video to be available immediately, mark it as public when selecting a privacy setting, which will start the premiere as soon as the video is done the processing. What analytics are available for premieres? Creators can view analytics related to premieres using our standard tool. Once published, can I unselect the toggle for a premiere and make this a standard upload? No, not once the video is published. Will comments from the premiere remain on the video after the premiere is over? Yes. Will view count from the premiere transfer over to the video after the premiere is over? Yes. How will viewers discover my premieres? Premieres show up across YouTube's discovery surfaces just like normal uploads, including search, the home page, watch next, and video recommendations. In addition, because the watch page is public before the premiere begins, you can share the premiere page URL on social media, put it as your channel trailer, or generally promote it in